Hey, good morning, guys. Good week this week. A lot of new work, a lot of actually into science, into doing lessons the way they should be done. If you did your work all week long, Monday through today, today's lesson should be easy. If you have not, you may have a little bit more of an issue. All right. My lessons are planned to build on each other. All right. So today's Friday. So that means Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday have all built toward this lesson. All the information I give you on Monday is for the whole week. The assignments per day build up to the last lesson. All right, just like this week's going to build into next week. So, guys, you got to make sure you do all your lessons, not only because it's for a grade, not only that's what justifies you being at home, but it'll make your other work a lot easier. All right, trust me. But I've had a few questions about the food web assessment. Remember, don't try to do stuff early, do it in order. But on here, so you're going to look at the screen. Here's the instructions. This is my example. You're making a food chain or a food web. You start with the sun because the sun's where all energy comes from, all right? The item after the sun will always be a producer. Producers are always plants. If you've read over the information, if you watch the videos, if you look through the PowerPoint, anything, you should know this by now, or at least be able to reference back to it. So we have the sun, we have a producer, which is always a plant. We have our primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary, apex predator, decomposers, everything in order, okay? So on this first part, you're using the organisms I gave you. So you're going to make a food web using just these items, all right? Then on the second part, same idea, but you're not using these words anymore. Now you're going to pick your own ecosystem. And I listed some examples on here. All right. If you want to do a different one or you find a better one, go for it. But you're making me a food chain that includes everything I have listed here, which is the same that you did up here. The only difference is I gave you the organisms up here. Down here, you're going to pick which ones go with your ecosystem. So if you're doing a rainforest, it shouldn't have sharks and whales on it. If you're doing the coral reef, it shouldn't have bears and tigers on it. All right. Make sure the animals match your ecosystem. Starting Monday, well, Monday we don't have any work. It's Labor Day, so I didn't put anything down for Monday. So from now until Monday, I'm leaving every assignment open. All right. Make sure you catch up. This week, last week, whatever you haven't done yet, go back and do it because Monday night, I'm turning everything off. You're not going to be able to go back anymore. All right. Unless you contact me and give me a really good reason for needing to go back. But guys, next week's our fourth week. We shouldn't have work still out there not being done. I have work from this week not being done. You should be doing it daily. Also, next week, we're changing the time frames. No more am I going to be able to give you the whole week to do work. So we're going to meet today. We're going to come up with a decision for all the classes to do the exact same thing. And that's how it's going to be from now on. So again, you're going to get a time frame. It's going to get locked. Only way we're unlocking it is if you contact us and we have a legit reason. But it's not going to be a really short time frame. It's just not going to be 7 days anymore because some people are taking advantage of that. They're not doing anything all week long. They go in and throw some answers in on Sunday. They have nothing to do with the question. And now I have issues, okay? Second part to this, make sure you do your work. Second part, make sure your work is answering my questions. If my question right here says make a food web with the organisms listed below, I don't need Frindle uploaded. I don't need a explanation of what a food web is. We've already done that. I need what this question asks you to do in an answer box with number 1 in your answer. Then I need this one listed with number 2 in your answer. Answering this question. A lot of people are just putting random answers in. Incorrect answers I can take. I can help you with that. But just random answers that have nothing to do with this are a 0. All right. Now, once you submit something, don't submit it and forget about it. I'm grading it. When I grade it, I'm sending back information to you guys. If I send it back and say you got a 5 out of 20, reread it and do it again, do it again. That means I'm giving you a chance to get a higher grade, okay? So everybody between now and Monday, make sure you haven't missed any assignments and look back at all the assignments. And if the grades aren't as high as you would like, do them again. All right. And then I'll post another video, probably some emails and stuff later today to discuss our new rules for next week. All right. Good luck, guys. Try your best. I know this is really easy for some of you, really hard for others. Side note, you don't know what a food chain is. You don't know what animals are in the rainforest, but you want to do it. Look it up. You have a computer right in front of you. You have an advantage that most kids don't. If you're with me, you have the advantage of me giving you the answers or helping you, guide you to find the answer, right? You're at home. You have me sparingly. So you have to do some of this on your own. I'm sorry, but I can only do so much. But make sure you use all your resources, everything that I give you, and the internet. It's there for a reason. Now, don't just go copy and paste and call it done, because you're gonna have to learn this stuff. Because I'm gonna give you quizzes, I'm gonna give you assessments, and eventually you're gonna be back here, hopefully. All right. So, guys, have fun. Enjoy your lessons. Try your best. See you again soon. I'll probably start doing a ton more videos because I got to make sure you guys are learning this, and I got to help you to the best of my ability. Have a good day.